Since last many years, potato is being used to repair damaged skin. This vitamin and mineral-rich vegetable can do wonder on your skin. Potatoes are a rich source of iron, vitamin C, and riboflavin. The juice of raw potatoes can tighten up the pores and also provide anti-aging benefits. The juice of potatoes have natural bleaching agent. It can lighten and remove stubborn tan from your skin and improve your complexion. Today in this video, I will share how can you use this amazing ingredient for your skin to take maximum benefits. So let's start my video any delay. DIY number 1, for dark spots and uneven skin tone. In a clean bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of potato juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon honey. Blend everything and apply this blended paste on your clean. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse your face with plain water. Potatoes are very effective to lighten dark spots related to skin freckles, sunspots, and melasma due to its natural skin bleaching properties. DIY number 2, for enlarged skin pores. Potatoes are also good to treat open pores. Potatoes contain starch, which is extremely good to close pores. The antioxidizing properties of potato help in removing wrinkles and dead skin cells as well. To make this, take half cup of potato juice in a bowl. In this, add half cup of rose water and 1 teaspoon of Fuller's earth powder. Mix everything well and pour this mixture into a clean ice tray. Let it freeze and your DIY is ready. Daily rub 1 ice cube of this on your clean face, and within a week you will notice visible changes in your skin. DIY number 3, potato face serum. In a clean bowl, take around 4 spoons of potato juice. In this, add 1 spoon of vitamin E oil and half a teaspoon of glycerin into this. At last, add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and half a teaspoon of rose water in this. Mix everything well, and your serum is ready. You can store this serum up to 15 days in refrigerator. Daily use few drops of this serum on your clean face, and you're done. Thanks watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more video.